greater isn't generally better, and the individuals who locate the 3-push Volkswagen Atlas too expansive for their requirements will soon have the capacity to get their hands on a littler, more smart variation of the Tennessee-constructed hybrid SUV. The new Passage is being sold by the Atlas Cross Sport Idea, a 5-traveler display that offers its 117.3-inch wheelbase with the bigger Atlas, however throws a shadow 7.5 inches shorter. Expanding on the Cross Coupe GTE idea that Volkswagen presented at the 2015 Detroit Car Exhibition, the Atlas Cross Sport Idea shaves 1.7 crawls from the stature of the Atlas yet grows 1.6 inches more extensive. Contrasted and the bigger and squarer Atlas, the Cross Sport Idea is more upscale with a more slender look. The apple doesn't fall a long way from the tree, however, and the familial likeness is unmistakable, with the Atlas Cross Sport Idea sharing its greater siblings' square-cut wheel curves, thick hood and bumpers, and fundamental light outlines. Another front belt and modified LED fog light components that stretch out into the grille, and a sleeker window line and a more calculated rear end, loan the 5-seater a particular persona. Inside, there's a huge 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment framework, which goes with a 12.3-inch computerized check group and a different touchscreen for the atmosphere control framework. A drive-by-wire move lever and an Idea Auto Pitch controller for exchanging between the all-wheel drive framework's 4 modes, on-road, off-road, sport, and snow, recognizes the inside from the present 7-Situate creation demonstrate. Persuading the Atlas Cross Sport Idea is a module fuel electric half-and-half powertrain that joins a 276 horsepower 3.6-liter V6 with a couple of electric engines, a 54 horsepower unit mounted at the front pivot and a moment, 114 horsepower setup at the back. Equipped with a consolidated 355 drive, the hybrid Idea can hurry from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.4 seconds and achieve a best speed of 130 miles per hour, Volkswagen says. A variety of driving modes guarantees to enable the Cross Sport to adjust to the necessities of the driver. In E-mode, the hybrid is controlled exclusively by its back engine, which is encouraged power by an inside-mounted 18.0 kWh lithium particle battery pack. With a full charge, Volkswagen claims the Atlas Cross Sport can venture out up to 26 miles without terminating its motor. Changing to hybrid mode permits the powertrain to flawlessly mix its 3 power sources as required. Those hoping to exploit the Atlas Cross Sport Idea's whole steady of stallions will need to change to GTE mode. Alongside organizing most extreme yield, Volkswagen takes note of that GTE mode likewise alters the powertrain's throttle mapping, changes the move purposes of the 6-speed double-grasp programmed transmission, and adjusts directing exertion. An off-road mode guarantees the back engine remains a dynamic individual from the powertrain group by utilizing the pair endeavors of the front-mounted engine and V6 motor to keep up enough battery charge to keep control streaming to the back wheels consistently. At long last, battery charge and battery hold mode can utilize the powertrain to charge the battery pack while driving or keep up the pack's present charge status for use at a later time. Notwithstanding the 355 horsepower module half-and-half setup appeared in the Atlas Cross Sport Idea, Volkswagen says a more customary plugless mixture powertrain is a conceivable alternative. Setup of the module's 18.0 kWh battery pack, the half-and-half would depend on a littler 2.0 kWh pack. Using the same 3.6-liter V6 motor and electric engines at the 2 axles, Volkswagen states, the attachment-less model could deliver a joint 310 pull to push the hybrid from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds. Generation of the Atlas Cross Sport is set to start 1 year from now. Anticipate that the creation model will exchange the Idea's forceful front and back belts for more traditionalist units, tone down a portion of the more outrageous inside fittings, and swap its 22-inch haggles for more unassuming footwear when it goes at a bargain as a 2020 model.